Hi everyone, I wanted to share a quick craft you can do at home with your family. I have something here. It's bouncy, and you could use this at the beach or to play catch. And it's called a beach ball. Wow. And these beach balls have really cool colors all around. So I see there's blue and red and green and orange and red, right? And yellow and white. So these are all the different colors of my beach ball. But if you wanted to make a beach ball at home, you can totally do that. Let me show you how. So if you have a paper plate at home, you can get one of those. Looks like this. And then we have little sections. It's kind of light here, but in the next picture you can see it better. There we go. All right, so there's sections for our beach ball. So in each section, you're going to write a color. So we have yellow and green and blue and purple, red and yellow. Okay? So you can have your parents maybe do that for you. Next, you can take either some paper or markers or crayons, and you can kind of color in. So if I have a yellow marker, I go to my yellow space and color that all in yellow. Or if I have paper and I go to my green space, I can take my green paper and I can either cut it or I can rip. Cut or rip. And then I can glue the paper into this section. And when you're all done, it's going to look like this. Wow. So it's like a beach ball craft, right? And last year, we did these in school. And you guys also did your very own beach balls that looked like this. There's Brooks from last year. There's Sophia's. And Yvonne was at the preschool, so we don't have Yvonne's, but I have Jaden's. So these were their beach balls. That's the ones I found. So you can do this craft at home. If you don't have a paper plate, that's okay. Maybe you could take a piece of computer paper, draw a circle, and section it off like this. And then color or put your construction paper in it. I hope you guys liked that craft. And I hope you have a great week. Maybe you could do the craft at home with your family. Bye.